Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another layout that I got done at the crop that I went to back in October. I brought 48 page kits with me. I got 42 pages done. This is page 30 out of 42. This one took me 15 minutes. So it came together really quickly. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that I don't think I even mat the photos. I take this strip of pattern paper, which, by the way, it wasn't long enough, but I'm going to end up kind of splicing it together and making it look like it's going underneath the photos, and I'm going to turn it into a banner. I had my photos pre-cut before I turn the video on. I think they're about 2.5 by 4, and then that way I was able to put them all all in a row and then onto this banner. I'm going to end up using, I think it's 1 or 2 4x6 cards, and I'm going to put those at the right of the page. And since I already know, this is how I want my photos to sit, why not glue it down right away, and then you don't have to worry about things moving around on you. And as soon as it's glued down, then it's just there, and then I don't have to worry about trying to figure out how things are supposed to fit. And you can tell this page was quickly done because it almost looks like I'm scrapping in real time, because I only sped the video up ×2, and so it's almost real time. And quite a few of the pages that I got done this weekend were 15-20 minutes, and that's how I was able to get so many pages done. Okay, so this is what I did. I took a 4x6 card, and then I took a piece of our grid paper, and I'm going to use that, of course, to do my journaling. And then, of course, before I went to the crop, what I managed to do was I got my titles pre-done for the first 33 pages, and I can't remember now, from 33 or 34 on, if I actually put titles on the pages or if I'm going to have to do that before I put them away. And I also got the journaling done on 33 pages. I honestly didn't think that I was going to get, I know I brought 48, but I thought if I get 33 pages done, I'm doing nicely. So I wasn't expecting, I was hoping, but I wasn't expecting to get this many pages done. So now, of course, the pressure's on, because next time that I get to go to a crop, and I'm joking, by the way, next time I go to a crop, I'm going to want to try and beat that 42 pages in a weekend. But there's definitely some things that I'm going to keep doing. And one is definitely going to be making page kits. 2, obviously, putting photos in those page kits and all the embellishments I need. What I'm going to try and add this time, and I did it some for this crop, but I'm going to try to make it so that all my digital files are all cut apart. I had it done for 10 out of the 48 page kits, and that just wasn't enough. I could tell that I really slowed down once I had to cut apart the digital prints, because that takes me about 10 minutes a page to cut those apart. So if those are done ahead of time, it's going to save me a lot of time. 3, I'm definitely going to be doing my titles on the wax paper. That was a game changer, and it saved me so much time. And 4, I'm definitely going to get my journaling done, and on as many pages, try to get them all done, the whole wackadoodle of them. If I bring 48 page kits, I'm going to try and make it so that my journaling is done for all 48 page kits. Now, starting, I was going to say this week, but I don't think I'll start this week. I just have a lot going on this week, but probably next week making, my Project 100, I'm going to be doing at least one video a week, kind of getting some page kits done where I want to, get 100 pages done in my craft room. And if there's no in-person crops coming up shortly, then I'll just maybe, I don't know, pick out maybe a day where I just go up in my room and, maybe make the meal the day before so I don't have to worry about making supper or anything like that. And also that all my other commitments are all taken care of. So all my videos for Patreon are ready and all my videos for YouTube are ready. And then take a good maybe 8 hours and just go upstairs and see how many pages I can get done and film and kind of get some videos, kind of ready for YouTube. So even though when I go to this weekends, I mean, it's fun, it's relaxing, it's just the girls, we stay in a hotel room and all this stuff, it really is a work weekend for me because I'm, trying to get as many pages done as possible. But man, it is so worth it. I get so many pages done, and I find that when I just pump the layouts one after another, I find that the inspiration gets, I get more and more inspired the more layouts that I get done, and it just seems that I can pump out a page really quickly. I mean, this one, 15 minutes and I had it done. Yes, when I go to things like this, I have to say I try not to do any layouts that have, mixed media or anything like that. I just try to do, straight layouts, if you will, just lots of photos, pattern papers, lots of embellishments. I try to get my journaling done and my titles. So when I come home, I can literally just take my layouts out and I put them away in an album. So what I do, I told you that my scraps, I put them in a baggie, and then, my scraps of pattern papers, my scraps of embellishments, but I also put all my finished layouts into a huge baggie so that when I come home, my layouts are all nice and safe, and then they're all in one spot too, and then I can just take them out and put them away because most of them had the journaling done. And I guess this one I did the journaling off camera, but the journaling is done on that layout. But that's it. That's going to complete this layout, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.